Hi everyone, it's me, the Golden Boss, also known as GC. I'm gonna answer some questions for you. Okay, so what's my favorite color? It's blue, or it has been blue. What inspired me to start a YouTube channel? This is from my username called Wrestling. Um, Nobody actually really made me start a YouTube channel. I just did it in a story. Anyway, what's your most favorite song and least favorite song? There's not a single song that I necessarily don't hate, but my favorite song of all time has got to be uh Little Wonders by Rob Thomas. It's from the Disney movie Meet the Robinson. Oh my god, it's one of my favorites Disney movies of all time. I just love it. And that song is towards the end credit, and I just love it, and I keep on hearing it over and over again. I could just never get enough of it. Um, what's your favorite actor, actress, or singer? Um, my favorite actor will always be Zac Efron. uh, my favorite actress had got to be ooh, my I'm not sure, but it's a battle between Selena Gomez and Zendaya. Mostly Zendaya. I like Zendaya. Um, and singer. Oh my goodness! Out of millions and millions of singers, I had to pick just one. Um, uh, I as of right now, my favorite singer, well, singers, as in the group, is Pentatonic because they're the a cappella singers, and I like a cappella. What I do a cappella thing. Yeah, okay. Um, um, and that's from Kayla. The username Kayla Rachada. Uh, and lastly, what Rishu degree. I hope I'm saying this right. Um, he has what if I listen to a certain artist goes by eating. Do I listen to artists that go by eating? No, sorry. Um, but favorite Alvin and Chipmunk movie. Oh my goodness. I've been watching. Like I do have a couple of movies. That is hard, but if if you were talking about the Fox Fairy movie franchise, which movie that I really love the most? Uh, um, you know, I hate to say it, but I had to go with my favorite movie has to be Road Trip because that's when they finally get that's when they get adopted by Dave, and it's just fun. It's sweet, but it's also funny because he's thinking that they go to there, but really no, they getting adopted, and it's really sweet. Okay, yeah. So now the questions are over. Now I can start to explain what I need to explain to get off my chest. Um, so, uh, um, what I want to get off my chest is, for those for those who don't know, I um I used to be a very toxic person, and um and when the um when the exposures happen, um I I admit it 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 did took it did take an emotional toll on me. It take an emotional toll on me because cause that's cause 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 I had to live with the guilt and the regret of hurting all these people. Um and very it's very hard, you know, that when how I say it, like I'm happy to be here and I'm improving with my video editing skills and stuff, but at the same time I had those days where I had those I had those days where I just you know I had those days where I just feel like I am living in fear, because the reason why I said that is because I had those moments where I fear of screwing up, fear of the reporting, the fear of you know just anything, and and I don't want anything going wrong, because even though I'm a changed person, I still have my doubts, and you know and it's hard. And some people see the change in me, but it gets to the point that it's getting smaller and smaller, to the point that I just I don't know what else to do to show people I've changed. And that's why sometimes I make a video about it, because I feel like me making a video, because you could tell that I'm not. You could uh you know it's just hard. It's just very hard that I had to live with the guilt and this shame of the fact that I hurt these people, and and I don't know what else to do to prove to the fact that I've changed, even though some people can see it, a lot of people don't. And I just scared that I don't want to screw it up, even though I'm happy to be here. Still, I have those moments where I fear, of screwing up again, and I don't want to, because it's already bad enough, especially when the exposure happens, and I just don't know what else to do to show how how genuinely and truly sorry I am to those people, even though they, even though pretty, even though the word sorry is just the word that people are not gonna truly buy. But I just, I I just want to enjoy the fandom, and I just don't want to live in fear anymore. I just want to be happy. I don't want to live in fear of the fact that I'm gonna wake up and everything gonna be gone just because I'm a toxic, used to be a toxic person, and all this, and I had to live with all the skill and all the shame just because I can't be, because I couldn't be the good person that I was back then to them, especially when they needed me most, and that when it really hurt, because I should have known better, but I didn't, and I'm just really sorry. I'm just really sorry. I'm sorry that I couldn't be a better person to these people back then. Just to live the guilt and the regret. And I had to remind myself time. I had to remind myself too that, I used to be this person and hurting people. So that's what I wanted to get off my chest, because I've been keeping it in and keeping it in and keeping it in, and I don't want to keep it in anymore. So that's what I'm gonna say. Thank you guys, and see you. Bye.